Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and today I am in the 18th day of my one funnel away challenge, and I'm going to share you my learning on this 18th day of one funnel away challenge. So inside there are lots of stuff that we can watch, but this is the actual one funnel away challenge, and I am into the week 2 mission 4. Okay, actually it is week 3, and because it is pre-training year, that's why it is showing pre-training week. In one week there was pre-training, in another week it was week 1, so it is week 2, and I am in the 18th day of one funnel away challenge. And today's topic was hook and more hooks. Okay, so see guys, I am actually a bestseller course creator. You can see here my name is Pawan Dakal, and this is my course on CPA marketing with pay-per-click advertising. So I am not new to marketing, but the knowledge that I am gaining from one funnel away challenge is so awesome. So if you are thinking to join one funnel away challenge, then you should join it. Okay, if you want to promote your product, or if you want to promote any affiliate product, or you want to collect leads, then this is the one of the best training that you can get, that I can say you confidently. So I am not just bluffing it. Okay, so another thing that I want to tell you is I am recording my journey from day 1 to yesterday was day 17, and now today is day 18, and I am making this video, and I'll upload it to up to day 30, because I want to document my journey, and you can watch all these videos also in my channel. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And in some videos I have tried to implement some strategy to attract other traffic also, like of max bounty Bing ads. Here I have tried to attract sales funnel traffic from YouTube. Okay, so that kind of tactic I have used in some of these videos, but still these all are informational video that you can watch to learn more, but you need to have patience while watching this video, because I am still a newbie in this funnel game, and I am absolutely loving it. I am hoping to receive 2 Comma Club award from Russell Brunson one day, by crossing $1 million revenue with my funnel. So now let's talk about today's lesson, that was hooks and more hooks. So actually I have opened the ad library of ClickFunnels, where I am going to show you what actually hook means. Hook means anything that stops you to watch the full content. Okay, so in case of Facebook ads, so here is complete the task given to you. So this is also a kind of simple hooks that are used in ClickFunnels ad. Like if people are scrolling through the news feed of the Facebook, and they see, now they may have targeted some audience. Let's see whom they have targeted, so it can't be seen from here. Anyways, this is a type of hook. Okay, so if anyone is scrolling and they see something unusual text or image that stops them from scrolling, and that makes them read this content, these written things, and that that gives a direction for people to click on this link. These are called hooks. Okay, so here is another hook. This is the best $100 investment. So and this might make some people to question what is the best $100 investment, and they will be reading this kind of stuff. Okay, so there are you up for the challenge? So this may arise a question like, what challenge? And people may watch so these all are targeted to specific audience, so that makes sense. If it is not making sense for you, that is absolutely fine, but these kind of text are also hooks. Okay, so now this is also another hook, like, I'm extremely glad I did it, and I just had no list to begin with. So this kind of things also can attract people to click on these ads to learn more about these things. So there were altogether I think 3 videos that I have already watched. One was from Russell Brunson, and he taught us here. So yesterday's topic was origin story or epiphany story that I have made in yesterday video, and in that origin story video, Russell Brunson told us to make a real story and post it on start publishing that story in either in your own Facebook profile or in Medium by blogging, medium.com by blogging, or in podcast by speaking. Somehow tell your story that is real. And then we told the story, and now today he told us to take out hooks from those story and make more content in the platform that we are publishing. Okay, by using such kind of, by finding the hooks in our origin story. So I think for lots of you it doesn't make sense, because see, we have took this much training and we have created our offer like a ebook. Okay, and we have also developed a story, a epiphany bridge. We learned about the epiphany bridge, the origin story, that is our real story that revolves around the product. And now today we are learning about hooks. So in a sales funnel there are 3 extremely important elements, that are hooks, story and offer. Okay, so you may not know at this moment about these things, but once you start to take this challenge, then you will learn about these things also. And I have provided all the links, all the necessary link that you may need in the description of this video. So if you want to join this one funnel lobby challenge, you can join from there. So today I would like to show you more thing on this one funnel lobby challenge, and that is this 30-day summit interview. So these interviews are related to various sectors like physical product, life and business, consulting, everything. Okay, marketing, Instagram expert, organic skincare. All these people are millionaire now. Okay, and they use ClickFunnels, and they are sharing their way of promoting certain type of product in certain field, like in Facebook ads, how Dan Henry promotes, that kind of interviews are there, which can be also helpful for you. And there is another brick and mortar summit which you can watch if you are inside one funnel lobby challenge. So altogether today these much things were available. And yeah, if you are an affiliate marketer, then there is an affiliate bootcamp summit. If you click on there, then you will see a 30 interviews from the people who have crossed $1 million in revenue by promoting ClickFunnels affiliate programs. Okay, so you can watch that also. So simply, hook means the thing, either it is in a text form, in a videos form, or in a image form, that makes people stop to read all the things that are available there. Okay, now either you are doing paid ads or making a social media post or posting a YouTube video. So these are also a kind of hooks in my thumbnail. So these are some normal hooks, like my honest day 2 experience, day 1 experience, day 5 experience, day 6 experience. And here are what is ClickFunnels type of thing. This is also a hook, what is ClickFunnels. If someone is searching in YouTube what is ClickFunnels, they can see this video by reading this image, or be successful in affiliate marketing. That can also be a hook, sorry, that is also a hook. And max bounty being ad secret, now this is also a hook. Okay, if someone see max bounty and being ad secret, what is that, the question may arise and people may come. And if someone is searching about what is sales funnel, then this may be a hook, like what is sales funnel and how does it work. Okay, so and somebody may be searching about affiliate marketing with YouTube, how to do affiliate marketing or how to do affiliate marketing with YouTube. Then if they see this kind of thumbnail, then they will stop and watch this video. That is also a type of hook. Okay, so this thing we have learned here, and there are more things. Now I cannot reveal everything because it is a signature training of ClickFunnels, and it is a paid training, not a free training. So I would not be able to explain you each and everything. I am just giving you a glimpse of what actually is possible to achieve through one funnel away challenge. And at the end of this 30 days experience sharing, I'll make a superb video which will explain in depth about this one funnel away challenge. If you are interested to join this challenge, I would definitely recommend you to join this challenge and build an sustainable online business that actually generates revenue, okay, in real world, because there are lots of examples in this world. Like just day before yesterday, Russell Brunson have announced that 1,000 people have reached the milestone of crossing $1 million in revenue with their funnels, okay. So this is no joke. If you are thinking to start, you just need to start. It is simple and easy to follow training. You don't need to take any kind of pressure. Just be sure that you take action according to the learning. Russell Brunson, Jim Edwards and Stephen, whatever they say, just follow what they are saying and you will be absolutely able to build a sustainable online business, that I can assure you. So guys, this much for today. I will be back tomorrow with my 19th day sharing, and I don't know what it would be in next day. These all trainings are unlocked on a daily basis. Now tomorrow another training will be appeared, and day after tomorrow another training will be appeared. So that kind of thing will happen in one funnel away challenge. So I guess you love this video. Please do like, comment and subscribe. Take care. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye.